Hi, I am Imal Aswad. I am going to teach for 12th standard. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are represented by d1 vector equal to I vector minus 3j vector plus 2k vector and d2 vector equal to minus I plus j. So this is a CBSE 2023 question. Find the area of the parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram equal to 1 by 2 magnitude of d1 vector cross d2 vector. Here d1 vector and d2 vector is given. Therefore d1 vector and d2 vector is given. So first we have to find d1 vector cross d2 vector. So d1 vector cross d2 vector, that is equal to d1 vector cross d2 vector. What is d1? Here first I, j, k. Next here 1 minus 3 plus 2. Here we have to d1 vector cross d2 vector is not same d2 vector cross d1 vector. Therefore first we have to write the d1 vector values, that is 1 minus 3 2. Then d2 vector is minus 1 and in the place of k you are having no value, therefore it is 0. Next that one equal to, so first I vector into, then we have to neglect this row and this one, minus 3 into 0 0. So 2 into 1 minus 2. So minus 2. Next minus j vector into, you have to neglect this row. Then here that is I 1 into 0 0 minus of minus plus 2. Then next here minus plus k into 1 plus 1 plus 3. Here minus 3, 1 minus 3. So that is equal to minus 2i minus 2j minus 2k. So here you have to take minus 2 outside. So what you get is I plus j plus k. Next here 1 by 2 pi area of the parallelogram equal to 1 by 2 magnitude of d1 vector cross d2 vector. So here magnitude of d1 vector cross d2 vector, so minus 2 we take outside, therefore 2 to get cancelled. So minus, here we have to take this minus, so d1 vector cross d2 vector, square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, it is equal to square root of 3. That is, if I take 2 alone outside, here minus I, here minus j, here minus k, therefore minus 1 square minus 1 square minus 1 square, so root 3. So area of the parallelogram equal to root 3 square units. So root 3 square units. Here we don't take minus outside. If we take, we have to get minus. Therefore area of the parallelogram we get minus. So for that you have to take minus 1 the whole square, here minus 1 the whole square minus 1 the whole square. So root 3. So area of the parallelogram having d1 and d2 as diagonals. What is the answer is A equal to root 3 square units. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.